Students, so we have learned about some properties of multiplication, out of which we have learned about associative property, that is the grouping one, and also we have learned about distributive property. So we'll try to see how to use those property while solving a word problem. So there is a question here: a man packed boxes containing 75 chocolates each. That means he has packed total 75 he has packed some boxes where in each box there are 75 chocolates. Such boxes he has packed in 30 cartons, with each cartons containing 2 boxes. That means he packed 30 cartons with 2 boxes of chocolates. That means this type of boxes which I was talking about, where he has put 75 chocolates. So such type of boxes he has put such boxes in one carton. In this way he has filled up total 30 cartons. Then how many chocolates are there in all? That means in this 30 cartons, if in each carton he has put 2 boxes, then how many chocolates will be there in all? So first of all, we know that in one box he has put 75 chocolates. Now let us find out in one carton how much chocolates will be there. So according to question, in each carton there are 2 such boxes. That means we have to find out how many chocolates will be there in 2 boxes. So we know that in one box there were 75 chocolates. So in 2 boxes it will be 75 into 2, and these 2 boxes are filled in one carton. So one carton will contain this much chocolates. But we have to find it out that how many are there in 30 cartons. So number of chocolates in 30 cartons, number of chocolates is in one carton multiplied by 30, because it will increase. So it is into 30 now. Now if you see properly, there is a grouping here, 75 into 2 and then multiplied by 30. There are 3 numbers where first these 2 will be multiplied. So I made a group, and that grouping part we know that is known as associative property. We have already learned in the previous class. So first we will multiply this 75 into 2, 150, and then multiplied by 30 we get 4500. Go to the next example where we will use the distributive property. Now it is said that a shopkeeper bought 20 oranges for rupees 6 each. That means he has bought total 20 oranges, and each orange, that means the cost of one orange is rupees 6. And he also bought 20 mangoes for rupees 10 each. That means out of all the 20 mangoes, each mangoes, that is one of the one mangoes cost rupees 10. Then how much money did he spend in all to buy these all 20 oranges and 20 mangoes? So first of all, let us find out what is the cost of 20 oranges. It is given that one orange cost rupees 6. So for 20 oranges it is obviously 20 into 6. For one mango it is rupees 10. So for 20 mangoes it will be 20 into 10. Now you have to find out the total cost. So what we will do for finding the total cost? We will add these two. So total money spent 20 into 6 plus 20 into 10. So if you try to remember the distributive property, it was like this: A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. I have given the example with a number. I am writing here AB, where if you see this side, in this side if you can see that both these numbers are same, that is A. And if you compare it here, that number which is appearing in both of them is taken outside as common, multiplied by, here we have B plus the number left here is C. Similar thing has been done here. In both the numbers you can see 20 is common, so I have taken 20 out, multiplied by what is left here, 6 plus, and here it is left 10. So now we will do the bracket part first. 10 plus 16 will be 6. 10 plus 6 will be 16, and then we multiplied by 20, that is 320. So this is how you use distributive property.